Ivan in attack, yeah, Rosa in attack, yeah, Kevin in attack. Oh,
Me a
wow,
who?
it's like a man a fight you done and the
Me
woman
a
a
who?
fight you done. Yeah, Kevin and not really talk. She did just come off a match a while ago.
No, me and I never match yet before.
Oh, well, yeah,
Kavidan,
Ivan
me and
attack,
Kavidan, me
yeah,
always give
Rosa in
Kavidan. Kavidan a
attack. Yeah,
nice
who was
girl.
attack?
Only me and Ivan and Lady P. And
Oh,
Rosalie. And Coco.
oh, okay.
Me and Coco have one match and she canceled the match for me. And she never tell
Who
me the
that?
reason why
Kai
she call
Kai
her
attack?
for me.
Kai Kai?
Coco.
Coco attack?
Coca-Cola, Coco. Yeah.
And I Coco Kai Kai attack. Right?
Kaka Kai
Coco
Kai,
Kai
yeah.
Kai.
The fat one. Kaka
No,
Kai
the
Kai.
thick one, the thick girl, yeah. In the end of Destiny is a mix up. The thick
What up?
girl, Coco Kai, oh, me know her. Me know her.
Huh? Such a name.
Thickers,
You
man.
never know such a name. Me
Yeah,
never know.
Kai Kai. He was here and she have a right for no match with her because of this. Because so you deal with her for the life. You try style her,
No.
so you can't
TikTok.
match with her, you know.
No. Me and her friend long before TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah, for
Destiny
IG. But
come like a
because she
long time yeah,
cancelled the
but
match.
still. Like a long
No,
time yeah,
listen
but
now. If you have somebody play match,
long
she
time
cancel the
but no.
match and she come on the live and she a laugh off of me. You don't do that. You cancel the match, you don't tell me why you cancel the match, but you laugh off of me.
Why? I'm really sorry for you about that.
So me just leave her and me just go about my business, my love.
But yeah, listen, if somebody want to come over your life, come and laugh off her. Nothing wrong with that.
No, but you cancel the match at the same time and I laugh off of me and I go talk about say me vex because she cancel the match. So that means that she have something against me then.
I don't know. I don't
She have
understand
to have
that.
something against me.
I
Because
don't
if
really
me cancel a
understand
match,
that.
I'm going to tell her the reason why I cancel the match. You know, Britney, you know, say I have certain things to do. That's why I cancel the match. You know, say I'm busy. You never say that to me. You just cancel it and then you come over my live and laugh off of me like me a mascot. Me now nobody
Yeah.
turn up the papi show. Me have sense,
Yeah,
my love.
like, no, like I say something, I like that. I like that.
You tell me the reason why you can't sleep. Destiny, you know, say me I go busy or me have something for do. But you don't do that.
I feel her style that still, but I don't really want to because I don't want to come for live now and send me mischievous. So I leave her alone. But I
Or me
feel
just
her
skip
style
that.
that still between me and you. Mm.
So you enjoy yourself.